Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we will be talking about the most common reasons why your space heater is making noise and possible ways to fix the issue. Let's get started. So these are the most common reasons why your space heater is making noise and how to fix it. Loose parts. The first possible cause of noisy space heaters is loose parts. The screws and other parts of the heater can loosen over time because of the vibrations resulting from their operation. When these parts are shaking, they produce a disturbing noise. To fix this, it is advisable to use a screwdriver to tighten the loose screws that you come across. This simple tweak can be the solution to the problem most of the time. These screws are most likely to become loose again, therefore inspect and tighten them often. Dust buildup. If you hear a buzzing or humming sound, dirt may be built up in the heater. To fix this, first turn off the heater, then using a vacuum with a brush extension, clean the vents and the fan blades. If your heater has a filter, then you should clean the filter or replace it with a new one. It will also save time when servicing the heater through cleaning. Cleaning should be done monthly or at least during the months of heavy usage. Fan issues. Various issues are known to develop in space heaters that come with a fan unit. If you hear a grinding or squeaking noise, it could be the fan causing the noise. To fix this, lubricate the fan and motor with a few drops of machine oil. While doing this, remember to follow the manufacturer's instructions. Thermostat clicking. Some space heaters have a thermostat that produces a clicking sound when the heater is switched on or switched off. This clicking is normal, but if you hear an extra loud clicking or if the clicking is more frequent, there might be an issue with the thermostat. To fix this, change the old thermostat. Refer to the manual that came with the heater or reach out to the manufacturer's customer service department for information on the components. If you are unsure about how to replace the thermostat, it is wise to consult a professional technician to avoid more problems. Thanks for watching.